Okay, here's what we got going on. Sunday, February, it's November 15th, 2020. And we're cooking some Caribbean special secret sauce hamburgers. Let me tell you what's going on. If you love this video and all my videos, click the like button, smash that like button, click the notification bell below, get all my videos, and subscribe, and send me a comment. And I want you to comment and say, James, hamburgers, secret spicy sauce recipe. I will send it to you. So check it out. I got the hamburgers, special beef hamburgers here. And on top, there's a special sauce, which I'm not going to give you the ingredients unless you send me a comment below and say, send me the secret sauce. Then I will send you the secret sauce, which, by the way, this sauce will make you a lot of money. It'll make you super rich. And I'll explain that at the end of the video. So you have to watch this whole video, and I'll show you how this sauce will make you super rich. Selling 10 million of these worldwide at $1 a piece. That's $10 million. Keep watching. Are you ready? Okay, so with the secret sauce, we're gonna do nothing crazy, but these are Caribbean hamburgers. You have to understand, they're very special. I have avocado, peppers, onion, and purple cabbage, and I have another secret ingredient, which I'm not telling you, unless you send a comment below, and I will show you the secret ingredient to make the world's #1 best Caribbean hamburgers. We might put a little cheese on there, and I'll show you how to do that and make a lot of money selling food online worldwide in 38 countries, and you can make a fortune. So if you're not making $10,000 a month on the internet selling products, selling food, come on. People need to eat, and they love buying food, and they're buying it online. And if you're not selling food online, you're an idiot. Keep watching. Comment below. Say, James, I'm an idiot. Show me how to sell food online. Okay, so the other thing I forgot to mention is we might add a little cheese, little queso, mozzarella, cheddar, or American cheese. Your choice. You can do whatever you want, but I love queso. But the other ingredient I want to show you right now that makes these Caribbean hamburgers very special is the pepperoni. See the pepperoni? You put pepperoni or whatever meat you want, but I like, these are going to be special secret spicy sauce pepperoni cheese hamburger. I can't even say it all. They're just gonna be the fucking the best hamburgers in the world, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to cook them right now. I got my pan, I got my oil, I'm ready to go. Let's cook some Caribbean special secret sauce hamburgers. Okay, so here we go. Step 2 or step 3, whatever step it is. Now we got the burgers in the pan. Now I'm cooking them in the pan because it's raining outside. I can't use the grill. So we're just using the pan, but you see they're cooking right there. Beef patties with a special Caribbean spicy sauce, which if you're interested in the sauce, I want you to comment below, and say, James, send me your spicy sauce. Just comment and say, spicy sauce, and I'll show you exactly how to cook the best damn freaking hamburgers in the world. Smash the like button, click the notification bell, and I want you to subscribe to my channel because I make videos that help people eat good, make money, and live a better lifestyle. You want to live a better lifestyle? You follow James Paradise. I will help you. Hey, how about I show you how to make $700 a day and live on $700 a month? Did you hear what I just said? Make $700 a day and live on $700 a month. Wow. Woo! Because that's exactly what we do. In fact, it gets even better. Keep watching. I got to get back to my hamburger. Okay, so now we have one of the other secret ingredients, which I'm going to give you, which is pepperoni on top of the hamburgers. Check that out. We have special Caribbean hamburger, beef hamburgers with pepperoni, and my special sauce cooking right there. Look at that stuff, and there goes the baby. So we're gonna make, look at that. If you guys want my special Caribbean hamburger pepperoni Caribbean spicy sauce recipe, you guys just look at all that. Look at all this great stuff. Look at this. Oh my God. These are the best hamburgers in the world. Smash the like button, click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and hit me up with a comment. Say, James, I love you. Send me your secret sauce, and maybe I'll do it. So listen, the final step when you're cooking these hamburgers, you put it on high heat for about 2-3 minutes. I just put that on 2,500 degrees. It cooked those suckers, but because I have the secret sauce, it's not gonna burn them. But, hey, check out PJ. PJ, what do you think about the special spicy Caribbean hamburgers? You like them? PJ, oh yeah, I want some hamburgers, let's go. Okay, and then you cook it 2,500 degrees, make it super hot, and then you turn it off. We turn it off, you're done. And we got the best hamburgers in the world. Again, comment below and say, James, send me your secret Caribbean hamburger spicy sauce, avocado, tomato, onion, garlic, Italian spicy sauce, hamburger cheeseburger recipe. And I will. Keep watching. So we got the final product. Check this out. Spicy Caribbean hamburgers. Send me a comment. Say, James, send me your special ingredients. I want your, these are the #1 burgers in the world, just so you know. And I sell these. People pay, literally, they pay $100. I'm not kidding you. I'm telling you the truth. You can, I'll show you the proof. People pay $100 for this recipe, for this special, unique Caribbean hamburger special sauce. Guys, you just gotta fucking comment below and say, James, send me your comment. People pay me so much money to learn how to cook the way I do, because I'm the smartest cook in the world. Send me a comment below and say, James, send me your recipe. Or just show me how to make a lot of money. How about making $700 a day or $1,000 a day, living on $700 a month? Add up the numbers, guys. What if you just pay, your bills are only $700 a month, and you make $700 a day? That's $30,000 a month, but you live on $700 a month. And I'll show you how to make the best hamburgers in the world. Let's go, baby. Ooh, the #1 hamburgers in the world. This is a Caribbean hamburger with special sauce, and this is a Caribbean cheeseburger, if you can see the cheese, with special sauce and a lot of love. Comment below and say, James, send me some love, baby. I'll show you how to make a lot of money on the internet selling my product, nobody else's product. You don't need to do affiliate marketing. You need to learn how to sell my product, which is this product right here. And people will order them online in 28 English-speaking countries, and you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year selling food. So if you love food, if you are a foodie, and you're not making $100,000 a year selling food, why don't you contact me and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's eat.